there is an umbrella placement across all the PGP programs, and there is a massive number of finance related companies that come to campus. We have done exceedingly well in the placements. We have been at par with PGP, if not above, and it has been a very good experience for every student at PGP Finance. Hi, I'm Anshul Prakash, currently pursuing PGP Finance course from IIM Kozhikode, and I have graduated from Lady Shri Ram College, Delhi University in the field of statistics and minored in economics. From there, I was placed at Willis Towers Watson in retirement financial modeling, and before that, for a brief period of time, I also worked at a venture capital. I have a collective work experience of around 2.5 years. I'm also a Gwalior Gharana vocalist and a Ministry of Culture CCRT scholar. I have performed internationally as well as nationally. And over here at IIMK, I did my internship at JP Morgan Chase, and I'm finally placed at Bain & Company. My journey at IIMK has been very wholesome. It's a beautiful campus, first of all, and I was able to get a lot of knowledge across the field of finance. I am just a graduate from LSR, and yet I was able to get a second position rank in my course, and I'm also rank 5 across all the PGP courses that are present at IIMK. I'm also an Aditya Birla Scholar and IIMK Merit Scholar. Apart from that, I'm also an OP Gems nominee and have been a part of cultural committee at IIMK. I have won various case competitions. So this MBA in finance was started a couple of years back for students who are highly interested in finance. We have some of the best faculties of the country over here, and IIMK has a slight leaning towards finance itself, and it really gives us a lot of knowledge in the field of financial accounting, financial derivatives, company and security laws, portfolio management, and hedging strategies. Actually, a lot of hedging strategies, options and derivatives are given high importance. And we also have courses around fintech, mandatory courses around fintech, and we get to learn about AI, ML, and cryptocurrencies, etc. Slight bit of algorithmic trading as well, neural networks, etc. And I'm probably talking about it a lot because I was highly interested in it. Apart from this, coming on to the placement part, there is an absolute umbrella placement at IIMK. I myself am placed, as I've already told in my introduction, at Bain & Company. We had a complete transparent placement, and PGP Finance has been faring really well in placements because many companies were very interested in finance, and our batch is absolutely at par with PGP regular courses, and if not doing better, in fact. And the professors are very happy with the batch. We also have absolutely equal opportunity in all spheres, be it case competition, be it around scholarships. I'm also an ABG scholar, I'm also an IIMK Merit Scholar, and so there's an equal opportunity. Within clubs and committees as well, you can say that there is no bias at all. The batch profile of PGP Finance has good proportion of students from every sphere of graduation actually. There is a good number of engineers that we are having. We also have CAs. Recent batch even had 12 CAs from a batch of 40. Then we have graduates like me who have had good interest in finance. So that is all tested in your interview. And I feel that this insane batch profile gives you a lot of opportunity for peer learning. The cutoff for this course is based on your application rating score as well as the interview. The interview has around 45% weightage, and the application rating score has cutoffs around 10th, 12th, and at times the graduation score. I'm not sure how it is working this time. You can check it online. There is a major focus on quantitative aptitude and DILR section of CAT examination. You can also apply from GMAT and GRE. Go through the website and check where you lie in the application rating score system. There's also a good weightage that is given to PGP Finance Sustainability Factor. That includes certifications like CA, CS, CFA, ICWA. Basically, it gives edge to professionals who are already interested in finance. And there's also around 10%, 5 to 10% weightage that is given to the work experience. So if you have any experience, that would count. It's not necessary that it should be in financial domain. My interview was majorly based on financial knowledge as well as my past work ex that was also in the field of finance. I was also questioned around GK, and I was also asked certain questions regarding music and its linkage with maths, and it also involved me having certain tal knowledge, and they tested that. I was also asked to sing.